Okay, big thank you to the Tang Institute for letting me do 3 questions in 3 minutes. I hope I can do it. My name is Paul Murphy. I am a Tang Fellow from 2016 to 2018, and I've been a teacher in the math department since 1988. This was my online summer geometry course in the summers of 2017 and 2018. First question, what was the inspiration for your project? Next slide. Bill Scott, math chair at the time, came to me and said, we need to figure out how to do geometry in the summer. He knew that the Tang Institute was also working on online platforms, how to teach online, and I said, great, fine, I'd love to try it. And basically, necessity was the mother of invention. We had kids each summer that needed to kind of catch up a little bit, so this was a great way to do that. What impact has it had on teaching and learning? My gosh, so much. Me as a teacher, I learned so much on my own, creating Canvas tools, learning how to do videos like this, basically falling on my face a bunch of times as I learned. And then the kids, those 2 summers, learned a ton online. I figured out how to do asynchronous learning. We thought we would do synchronous, but then we changed gears because of the kids' schedules. I learned a ton about Canvas, how to write with LaTeX, which is a math program online, how to do screencasts in 3 to 5 minutes, and how to do learning checks so that the kids could watch something and listen, and then I could just quickly check to see if they knew how to do that. And I'm using that this spring as well. Tons of practice. I did some things where they would see a problem, pause the video, then I would continue the video and they could see the solution. We talked about office hours. This thing was so good for our kids because they have so many great things in the summer, and the asynchronous ability for them to come and go from the course as their summer jobs or their camps came and went was a great experience. And we learned a lot between the first and second summer as well. Summer gap learning, we know tons about that and how kids lose a lot of math and other things during the summer. And when they came back, that we could ask them questions. How did it go? What could we have done better? And we made a ton of changes for the second summer. And finally, when this thing came, COVID-19 came this spring, it was great to be able to help my department figure out how to do screencasts and use Canvas in an effective way. Where can you go to learn more? The course still exists on Andover Canvas. Please contact me if you wish to find out more about what this course looks like. It's all there. If you want to take geometry, go right ahead. Let me know how it goes. And again, thank you very much. This was probably in my 30+ years of teaching at Andover, the single most important developmental moment for me, professional development. I was excited about learning. I was excited about making mistakes. I was excited about being a student again. And then I was excited about sharing that with the kids and with my colleagues along the way. So thank you very much, and hope to do another one very, very soon.